Carlos, which insurance has the least amount of premium that allows maximum paid up additions? Least amount of premium, maximum paid up additions. That would be indexed universal life insurance. Indexed universal life insurance has the lowest cost to insurance. Now, it's actually, let me rephrase that, because you asked about maximum PUAs. Indexed universal life insurance does not have PUAs, but it does allow you to put in, when you max fund an IUL, you can get a lot more money in there, or maybe about the same, but the cost of insurance is lower. So the potential cash value growth is higher. Now, when it comes to whole life insurance, the least amount of premiums, maximum PUAs, I don't think I'm contracted with the carriers out there that will give you the least amount. From what I hear, there's some carriers out there that might let you do a design that's like 97 and 3. They'll let you really overfund that policy. Now, these are some small, very small companies. From what it sounds like, they don't have the backing, the history of the large mutual companies that we offer that carry these, major dividends, and they've been paying dividends for 150 plus years, and they're rated A and A plus from the credit agencies. These companies don't meet that need, and so they make it up in other ways. Now, that does mean it's more risky. You're definitely taking on some risk. I haven't looked into those because I don't think that's a risk that I want to take on. I mean, the insurance companies, when we get into these policies, these are policies that we're planning on being in for the rest of our lives, and we need to have that guarantees. When it comes to whole life, you're becoming an owner of this company. So you want to make sure, or at least I want to make sure, that I'm the owner of a well-run company. I'm an owner of a company that has a long history, and these companies are going to be paying out dividends for the rest of my life. That's how these policies are going to grow. So just like in the stock market, when you research and you want to buy a company, you want to make sure it's a company that's going to be around for a bit. You don't want to get into something that like Nikola that has fraud allegations in it, and now the CEO is stepping down, and nobody knows what's going to happen in that stock. They're certainly not going to be paying out dividends. Who knows if they'll even get past the growth stage. So these are the things that you want to consider more so than just, where's the least amount of premium and max PUA. Now, when it comes to those top companies, now the least amount of premium, max PUA, is probably Guardian, close tie. Guardian for the short term, if you want to have a 7-fund policy. Mass Mutual would be number 1 if you want to be able to 10x those premiums for a longer period of time. So let's say for more than 7 years, 20 years, 30 years. Mass Mutual would be a good one to go to. Penn Mutual, also a good one. We can design that to 10x for the life of the policy, basically. But a little more cost to the premium. So I wouldn't put them above Mass Mutual. So good questions. Good questions. This was a question asked and answered during one of our Wealth Care Wednesdays live stream. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, or join us on one of our Wealth Care Wednesday live streams where you can ask the question and we'll answer it on the air live. I hope you found value in today's video. If you'd like to find out more about IUL and whole life, check out these videos right over here, and we'll see you next time. Now go maximize your cash flow.